Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Rocket Matix Trading Bot application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rocket Matix Trading Bot app on your device. And once you scroll through the basic guides, you can tap on the login or sign up button. Once you tap on either one of these, you can tap on login from the top section. And now you will simply need to enter your email address and your password. So go ahead and type in your email address within the given section and then type in your account password underneath. In case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the forgot password option to use your email address in order to reset your credentials. After entering both your credentials, tap on the login button and now you will be logged into your account on the Rocket Matix Trading Bot app and you can start making your trades right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Rocket Matix Trading Bot application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.